Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about abandoned cart messages only because I think that it's the most important thing which you have to do before Christmas or other festive events. Start from SMS messages over here and then go to the push notifications. Why you need to do that? Let's try to check sales funnel before I will answer to this question. First of all, you drive lots of traffic from ads, from Facebook, from Google, wherever, from Instagram. All these potential customers goes to your product page, adds something into cart and goes to checkout page. And this is the place where most of your customers leaves without purchasing. And so you need to make sure that you set everything you can, all channels to work for you to retarget your customers. Why you need to retarget? You need to retarget because lots of people buys, not the same day. It can be 2 days, it can be 6 days, 7 days, and you can see from this store data that about 32% of people buys after 2 weeks and more. This is another example of another shop. You can see that about 60% of people buys first day, but the rest 40% buys later. So you need to make sure that you are targeting your customers properly with Facebook ads, with emails, with web push notifications, and SMS messages, and maybe Facebook Messenger messages. And last year we did research where we tried to understand when is the most proper time to send the SMS messages, and you can see that SMS messages after 30 minutes or 50 minutes generates the best return of investment. The second message can go after 8 hours, and it's 23% return of investment. So you need to combine all channels you have at the moment, because you have subscribers who subscribe to web pushes, to emails, to phone numbers, through different channels, and you need to combine those channels and send messages on the right time and the right place. So start from web pushes, send to web push notification first because they are the cheapest channel. But then you can send email in parallel, and then if people didn't buy, send SMS message. This is for first set of messages. If you want to activate all three in the sequence, like message 2, message 3, then web push notification should go after about 6 hours, and SMS message after about 8 hours, something like that. And then if you set in that way, if people purchase something for push notification, they won't receive SMS message. So in such a way, you will get the best return of investment. I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm always here for you. Bye.